Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I'm packing makeup wise on my beach vacation. I'm seriously so excited because I have so many new beauty favorites to sit down and chit chat with you guys about. Yesterday I uploaded my pack with me for my vacation. I am packing in only a carry-on, so it does get quite interesting. You guys definitely don't want to miss out. I will insert a card in case you guys want to go check that video out. But I also mentioned how I was going to share with you guys what I'm bringing makeup wise. So I recently just got this super cute new makeup bag from TRVLDESIGN. I'm completely obsessed. It's like a clear little pink bordered bag. It's so cute. It fits all my everyday and some makeup and like skincare and just like my makeup remover. So I'm really excited to sit down. I have some new favorites to talk about and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you guys hit that subscribe button down below so you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And I'd also love to hear from you guys in the comments down below. I do read and respond back to every single comment. It's so much fun being able to chit chat with you guys. So as a question of the day, I would love to hear what is a summer beauty favorite that you can't live without, like something that you absolutely must have. Personally for me, it's like waterproof mascara. I feel so weird when I don't have mascara on, and I also just feel so much more like myself when I'm wearing it. So that is my answer. I would love to hear from you guys in the comments, but we're just gonna get right into this video. I will link this makeup bag in the description box in case you guys want to check it out. But it just has this really cute little bamboo zipper pull. I'm gonna unzip it. And I'm just going to preface, all of this stuff is out of order. It's not how I would apply it. It's just because that is how I'm grabbing it out of the makeup bag. Typically when I'm on a trip, I will just pour it out every time I use it and put everything back in as I'm done using it. So the first thing in here is my makeup eraser towel. This is a game changer. I have 4 or 5 of these because I like to use them on the daily. So basically what this is, it's like a little $10 makeup eraser. They sell them at Ulta. I got mine in my FabFitFun box and have been completely obsessed with it ever since. So you don't have to use makeup erasers like those little wipes or just kind of like oils and stuff. All you do is you get this wet with warm or cold water and it can remove all your makeup. It removes waterproof mascara, everything. And I've honestly had this for over a year now and it still works. Like, it doesn't get old. I don't know the magic behind it, but I love it and I cannot recommend this enough. Then I also keep a scrunchie in here, 2 scrunchies, because I like to pull my hair back while I am putting my skincare on. One of my favorite skincare products that I bring, and I have the little travel size, is the Pixi Glow Tonic. This stuff is a game changer. So this is a toner. So once I take all my makeup off with that little towel, I'll put this on. It helps prevent breakouts, but it also just kind of makes your skin feel like tight and new and everything. And then I'll put some moisturizer on, which is hiding in here somewhere. Oh, this is another skincare product that I'm bringing. And this is my Pixi oil. I love this. This is a nice priming oil. So I love this product so much. And then I also have been loving this little chapstick by Carmex. I feel like I'm so late to the game on this, but seriously, if your lips get sunburnt or chapped, 2 days of wearing this, your lips are back to normal, which is a win-win. I also have been kind of obsessed with cream products, especially for the summertime. I feel like it's like more of a glowy look. So I've been obsessed with this On The Glow blush by Pixi, and it's like a little deodorant stick. I think the packaging is so cute, but it's just like this pink blush and you can apply it anywhere. So I will just kind of do like a light little streak right here. I'm currently wearing it right now, and a little bit on my nose, and you can either dab it in with your fingers, a beauty blender, or a brush. And I do use a blush brush. That is really a mouthful to say. When I do apply that, I use this one from Real Techniques. It's perfect. It's like meant for it, and you just kind of like blend it in, and I feel like it's just such a fun glowy look. Another cream product that I've been loving is this hard candy contouring stick. So I'm actually out of the cream, use it for that, but I use it for my contour. So it's this darker shade, and I just will do this. You guys might have seen it in vlogs, but I will like contour my face with it. And I will use this kind of brush. I have no idea what these are. I'm like not a makeup guru at all, but I got this in a PR box from Pure X Barbie. This was forever ago. I don't know where this is from, but I will like brush it up and out. There's like a whole technique on it. I think it's really interesting, but I've been loving this, and it does take up a little bit more room, but I think the results are so worth it. Then I also have a cream highlight. So I'm really on this like cream makeup trend. So this is the Revlon Photo Finish Cream Highlighting Stick. This is around like $3 at Walgreens. I can't say enough good things about it. I love this product, especially if I'm not going to wear any makeup. I'll just put like a little bit on my nose to make it have a little highlight pop. I also have a cream concealer. I'm like seriously on this trend. And it is by CoverGirl. I wear the shade Light Pale, and I love this too just to kind of dab under my under eyes. That's usually what I wear it, or for like a spot, like if I have a zit or something, I'll just like cover that up. Another concealer that I've been really liking, and I saw this on TikTok, is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This reminds me so much of Tarte Shape Tape, but it's only $6, which is such a steal. It has like the same applicator on it, which is really cool. But I think I went too light of a shade, especially for summer, so I got Fair Rose. I think I could have gone a shade or two darker just because it's really too light for me for the summertime, but I love the consistency. It's definitely really thick and kind of heavy, but I think it'll be a great winter concealer. But I am bringing it with me just because of like a date night or something. I also am bringing the foundation that I've been loving, and this is a newer product for me. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Foundation. I'm wearing the shade L2, which again, I think I should have gone a shade or two darker for the summer, but I'm currently wearing it right now and I feel like it matches pretty well. And what I love about this is it has a pump, which I didn't think I was gonna like at first, but I love it. It's kind of easier to get out, so I will use my beauty blender, pump it on there, and just kind of dab it on my face. I love the beauty blender. This is from Real Techniques. I also packed a little highlight palette because I love having a glowy highlighted look. So this is from Pixie. This is seriously so used, like the labelings come off completely because I bring it everywhere with me. But look how beautiful those shades are. It's kind of like an orangey warm tone, and I have a little brush by Pixie to apply it. It came with it, I think. And then I also have a few other brushes in here. I have this one, which is from Doll 10 for the concealer. So if I'm using the e.l.f. concealer, I will like blend it in. I feel like it works a little bit better than a beauty blender. Kind of just dabbling into new techniques. And then I also have my little contouring brush if I'm applying that, and I also have my Real Techniques like big fluffy brush, and this is how I like blend it all out at the end. Really like that. I also brought my little spoolie. I think this is for, so it's like lash and brow. So all I do with my brows is brush it up, and sometimes if you want to get really creative, I will spray hairspray on here. This is like my little beauty secret, and brush it up, and then my eyebrows stay up. There's like tons of other products for it, but I feel like that's just really cheap and easy. Then I have my L'Oreal priming mascara, and I want to say this is the biggest tip when applying mascara is to use a primer. It will automatically make your eyelashes look so much longer before you even put any mascara on, because it adds like a little length, and then the mascara grips to it. It's seriously such a game changer. I am packing two of my favorite mascaras. They're the exact same. One's just waterproof. So this is the Volumish Last Paradise. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the bottom one has more of a glitter look to it. That is the waterproof one, which is so perfect if you're going to the beach or pool. I don't really feel like it clumps together, but I did watch this whole mascara YouTube video the things I watch on YouTube on how to make your lashes look bigger without any like extensions or anything, and they say waterproof mascara has more stuff in it to add length to your lashes. So if you guys have any like thoughts on that, I thought it was just really interesting. Then I am packing my Maybelline eyeliner. I don't know if I'll wear this, but it's so simple to pack that I'm like, why not? And then I have two lip products, and it is my Doll 10 lipstick, and this is in the shade Audrey. It's just a really pretty like mauvey neutral. And then I also have my Pixie lip gloss. This is kind of an orange color. It's Sweet Nectar. I'm pretty sure this is like their lip plumping lip gloss. I don't really know if I notice a big difference when I wear it, but I do like it because it's very like glossy looking. I also am bringing my eyelash curler. I think this is from Revlon like years ago. And then the other stuff is kind of funny. You might laugh at me for this. I have a nail filer because I can't stand when my nails chip. So I currently have on a gel polish, but on my toes for my pedicure, I cannot stand putting gel on. I don't know why. I just don't think it's worth it. So I just buy like a really cheap nail polish to put on. And I learned from my vacation last year to bring the polish because your toenails and nails will chip on the vacation. And for me, nothing is worse than chipped nails. So I am bringing the shade that I'm currently wearing on my pedicure, and this is Watermelon Felon from Sally Hansen's Extreme Wear line. It is the prettiest pink coral color, and I highly recommend. I think it was like $3. I also have a pair of tweezers because you never know, and then I also have a little mini to-go perfume from Scentbird just because of travel restrictions and I'm doing a carry-on only. So that is everything that is in my makeup little bag. I think this bag is seriously so cute. Again, it's linked down below in case you guys want to check it out. And the question of the day for you guys is, what is your #1 summer beauty essential? Be sure to let me know. I love chatting with you guys, and I think it's so much fun. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!